Welcome to the world of assisted reproductive technologies, where science meets hope. Presented by Professor gnpsir. Assisted reproductive technologies, or ARTs, encompass a range of treatments and procedures aimed at aiding reproduction through artificial or partially artificial means. ARTs include various techniques such as artificial insemination, multiple ovulation embryo transfer, and in vitro fertilization, all aimed at genetic improvement. The timeline of ARTs showcases significant milestones, from the first successful AI in dogs in 1784 to the cloning of a sheep in 1996. Different breeds and techniques have been used over the years, with notable successes in various locations. Artificial insemination has been a significant advancement since 1949, with extensive data on semen collection and usage across the globe. Oocyte and ovarian tissue cryopreservation are vital techniques for preserving female fertility, involving the freezing and storage of eggs or tissues. Superovulation and embryo transfer have evolved since the 1930s, significantly impacting the reproduction of food animals. Embryo bisection and twinning study the effects of the maternal environment on twins, using techniques like blastomere biopsy. Embryo bisection involves splitting an embryo at various developmental stages to study and enhance reproductive outcomes. In vitro fertilization has revolutionized the treatment of infertility, with the first successful birth from IVF occurring in 1978. Embryo sexing can be done through invasive methods like karyotyping or non-invasive methods like detecting X-linked enzymes. Sperm sexing using flow cytometry allows for the selection of sperm based on sex chromosomes, aiding in gender-specific breeding. Sex semen is becoming more available, with significant advancements in conception rates for heifers and cows. Intracytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI, involves injecting a single sperm into an oocyte, aiding in overcoming infertility. ICSI is a precise technique where a single sperm is injected into an egg to facilitate fertilization. In vitro embryo production in mares and pigs has shown high success rates, with significant pregnancy rates post-transfer. Gamete intrafallopian transfer, GIFT, and other similar techniques involve placing fertilized eggs directly into the fallopian tubes. Somatic cell nuclear transfer, SCNT, involves cloning by transferring a somatic cell nucleus into an enucleated egg cell. The SCNT process includes enucleation, injection or fusion, and activation, leading to the development of reconstructed embryos. Somatic cell nuclear transfer, SCNT, cloning involves transferring the nucleus of a somatic cell into an egg cell from which the nucleus has been removed. This process can create a clone of the adult organism. The process begins with the removal of the nucleus from a female egg cell. The nucleus from a somatic cell is then inserted into the egg cell, creating a clonal zygote, which develops into a clonal embryo. Transgenic organisms carry an extra gene introduced by human intervention. This process involves isolating the desired gene, transferring it into the recipient organism, and developing transgenic animals. Physical transfection involves directly injecting the gene of interest into the fertilized ovum. Chemical transfection uses calcium phosphate to facilitate DNA uptake. Retrovirus-mediated and viral vectors are also used to introduce the gene into the host cell. There are various methods to create transgenic organisms, including pronuclear injection and the use of embryonic stem cells. These techniques help in producing organisms with desired genetic traits. An example of transgenics is the introduction of the antithrombin gene into a sheep, resulting in the production of milk containing antithrombin, which is used for medical purposes. Biofarming involves genetically modifying animals to produce organs for transplantation. For instance, a pig heart was successfully transplanted into a human, marking a significant advancement in xenotransplantation. Estrus synchronization and ovulation induction are techniques used in animal breeding to control and enhance reproductive efficiency. For more in-depth information on reproductive technologies in animals, refer to these comprehensive resources and scientific reviews. Thank you for your attention. Stay connected through our social media channels and visit our website for more lectures and resources on animal biotechnology.